Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of the assignment is EXP22 Excel Chapter 4 HOE Toys Store. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment, to do this complete course with you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do my MyITLab courses, Simnet courses and Cengage courses for you, like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stat, Business Math, accounting, finance, writing, technical programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses or any other course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So we will move towards steps to perform in instruction. First step is to open the Excel file which we have downloaded with the instruction file. So we will open the Excel file. Then we'll move towards second step. In second step it says modify the existence page break to ensure 613 and 624 transaction date print on the same pages. Here we go. 613 and 624. 613 624. So here we go. 613 and 620. 620. And 624. So create a copy of the joint total worksheet and name it copy. Return to joint total worksheet. Return to joint total worksheet. So set the titles in row 5 and column AB. Row 5 and column AB to repeat when printed. Additionally, set the print order to print over, then down. Print rows to repeat this column. So convert this line to a table. This one to table. Name the table totals. Apply table style light yellow, table style light. So in step 6 step it says delete the sales first column from the sales first column from the table. So in 7th step it says type repeat in K5 5. J L to J I N auto. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So in next step, it says insert a new row in the table, row 73 and row 1 to row 73. Whose values are these, which we will insert. Metal store, metal store credit, standard pro, standard pro, and the value is 11.99. Yes, and row 112, 112. In next step, it says remove all duplicate values from the total table. Remove duplicate values table. So in next step, it says enter an if statement in case is to determine the customer repeats if the value is H6 is equal to promotion, the customer receives a 10% rebate on the total purchase. If they are not eligible, the function should return 0. Be sure to use applicable structure reference and then use the fill handle to copy the function down completed the code. So if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. Thank you. If you liked the video, do subscribe. See you next video.